Tarrant County has seen a concerning post-pandemic increase in drug overdose cases. Now, Medstar has joined with the Recovery Resource Council, distributing the drug Narcan, which can bring a person out of an overdose. They're giving that drug to users and their families. It is the only program of its kind right now in North Texas. Fox 4's Sean Rabb reports.
And the idea behind this unique program is not only to give folks a chance to survive, but give them a chance to change their lives.
We've seen a pretty dramatic increase in the number of overdose responses that we've been responding to.
Medstar's Matt Zavadsky.
Back in 2019, we averaged about 33 overdose responses a month. In April, we had 66 in 1 month.
People saved by Narcan, a drug that reverses the effects of overdose.
270 of these kits have been given out to 70 families. It's awesome.
Medstar now partnering with an addiction treatment specialist, the Recovery Resource Council, sending Narcan home with overdose patients.
This partnership with the Recovery Resource Council is crucial right now because we don't want people to die. We want people to recover and to get into a substance abuse program, and what better time to see if they're motivated to do that than right after an overdose.
We're following up with individuals who have survived an overdose within the last 24 to 72 hours.
Becky Tinney directs the Overdose Response Team program at Recovery Resource Council. That follow-up, a conversation more about the future than the past.
At a minimum, it's always a conversation about Narcan, because Narcan will keep that individual alive. And as long as they're alive, there's a chance for them to heal.
A study published in the Journal of the American Medical Association asks, is there a benefit to take home naloxone or Narcan? 395 participants were followed for 1 year. 73 performed 114 opioid reversals with the drug. The findings suggest that take-home naloxone may be part of a targeted harm reduction strategy to reduce negative outcomes.
It really does. It saves lives.
What do you say to people who say, hey, you're enabling folks to continue using drugs?
You know, these are tough conversations. You know, we want to keep them alive until the day comes when they're ready to have a conversation about treatment.
So the program rolled out first in Tarrant County, but the Recovery Council looking to expand these take-home kits of Narcan to Dallas, Collin, and Denton counties. In Fort Worth, Sean Rabb, Fox 4 News.